Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can't like videos on TikTok. So if you can like videos on TikTok, there's literally only one reason why this is currently happening, and that's because you have literally just been liking too many videos in a row. When you go to an account, for example, maybe your friend or something, and you just keep on liking all of their posts, like literally like 10, 20, 30 videos within a few minutes, just spam liking their videos, then that could basically cause a TikTok to think that you are a bot and that you are fake engaging people, which literally causes TikTok to ban you for a certain time frame from liking. Now, there are two ways, in my opinion, how you can basically fix this. It's either just waiting a few days and then that ban will automatically be lifted again. However, what you can also try to do is just simply clearing the cache over on your TikTok app, and sometimes this will magically work as well because you're basically hard refreshing the app. So if you want to try that as well, it literally takes 1 minute. What you can do is go to the top right corner of your screen, those three little dots, the stripes, then click settings and privacy, scroll down till you find free up space, and then what you need to do is click on clear cache right here and clear cache right here. And once you've done that, just restart the app and see if it's working. If you still can't then just go into settings on your iPhone, then scroll down till you find general, iPhone storage, just like this, and then scroll down till you find TikTok right here, click on offload app, wait till the app is completely offloaded, reinstall it through this same page, and then open TikTok again, and then you will most likely be able to like immediately again. However, I'm not completely sure about that, but you can at least try. And otherwise, you just need to wait 24 to 48 hours and then it should be fixed as well. So yeah, that's basically all the information I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.